Okay, so a billion stairs later, we're at the top of the tower in the Bruges Tower, and I can't really see what I'm doing. Hey, look, there's more to look at on the other side too. Okay, let's go on this side. Oh, that looks cool. There you go, we can see that thing. Oh, cool. Everything's red tops. Yeah. Everything looks dusty down there. Dusty. There's a church, and there's another church. Is that one a church too? With a spire? Everywhere has chickens at the top. Even Jesus had chickens at the top. Okay, next one. Whoa. Oh, cool. You can stand up. Oh, there's the bell, I guess. We got here just before the bell rang. Some yellow houses. That roof looks kind of funny. I can see it. Strange roof.
Confusing to look at.
Jesse, have we seen him there yet? Oh yeah, that was the Berg, right?
Where?
That's Marketplatz and that's Berg.
Yeah, the map's right there. There's that weird tunnel thing.
What direction were we coming from? Way over on the other
Not
side.
the way, the other way.
Right. Okay, I guess this is a long enough video from inside the bell tower. There's all the bell stuff. Yay! Okay, bye!